I can't get over it. Not this fluffy snow. This is, ow. I plan on doing a lot of videos today. This stuff. Now, if I can get a run go down, the bike went down. I kind of doubtfully going to meet up with Tipsy, I guess. Oh, God. I didn't even see that. Holy shit. Whoa. Yeah, she's a little rough. Only one side, too. That side hasn't even been cleaned yet. Nice to have a little bit of good folks at City of Belleville don't care. You better be turning, bud. Who decided to go up the hill? Stupid fool. Can you back up at all? Okay, now go forward. Still going to be today. I'm doing 2 videos and leave the apartment. Underground parking is great.